So we're comparing two different types of interest here, compound interest and simple interest. Mia put 6,400 into each account. We want to calculate the difference in the values. So let's deal with Northern Savings first of all. Okay, if I put my money in, we need to really deal with multipliers here. It says 8 years, so you don't want to be adding on 2.5% 8 times. Remember, it's 2.5%. After 1 year, you find 2.5% of that amount because you're getting interest on your interest. The much better way of doing it is to deal with multipliers. So to do a single increase of 2.5%, it'll be 1.025. Where did I get that from? Well, I've basically written the percentage as 102.5%. That's what I'm finding. I've got my 100%, I've got my original amount, and I'm adding 2.5%, and I've divided by 100 to change it into a decimal. But I don't want to do this just once, I want to do it 8 times. So I would times by 1.025 again and again and again, and actually the quickest way is just raise it to the power of 8. You can very quickly work out compound interest in this way. $7,797.77. But it does say it wants the final answer to the nearest penny, so I should probably include a bit more. 8.5, that will be enough. Right, now we look at simple interest. This is when you actually don't get interest on your interest. So you would find out what 2.7% was. Actually, I don't want to use that multiplier. It'll be 6,400 times, I did want to use sort of, but it's going to be 0.027. That will give me 2.7% one time. But actually, I want it 8 times, so I'm going to need to times it by 8. And that amount there is going to be my simple interest. I just then need to remember that I'm adding that 6,400 on. Whoops, why am I writing? That's 6,400. And one way you sometimes see it written is that it's 6,001 plus 8 times the interest rate. You may have covered it like this. It's the same thing, I've just factorized out the 6,400. So I figure that one out. I get 7782.4. Okay, so if I want the difference, I just need to put it together. I'm running out of space here. We're really close. Okay, I just do this. Well, I've actually got that one stored on my calculator, so I can use the answer button. I can do 7797.7785 minus the answer, 15.3785. And to the nearest penny, that will be £15.38.